Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my brothers and sisters? Welcome to Bright Quran Learning, your premier online Quran academy. At Bright Quran Learning, we provide a comprehensive online Quran education tailored to meet the needs of students of all ages and skill levels. Our expert teachers offer a range of courses including Quran reading with Tajweed, Quran memorization, and Islamic studies. And in Islamic studies, we will teach Islamic history, manners, akhlaq, method of namaz, and daily supplications, and kalimas and ahadith. By joining Bright Quran Learning, you will learn from experienced qualified teachers, enjoy flexible scheduling to fit your busy lifestyle, benefit from interactive, engaging online classes, receive personalized support and feedback. Don't just take our words for it. Here's some of our certified students and parents have to say. MashaAllah. Are you ready to start your Quranic journey? So please visit our website or contact us or email address to learn more and register today. Thank you for considering Bright Quran Learning. We look forward to helping you on your Quranic journey. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.